common law definition and legal meaning. As distinguished from the Roman law, the modern civil law, the canon law, and other systems, the common law is that body of law and juristic theory which was originated, developed, and formulated and is administered in England, and has obtained among most of the states and peoples of Anglo-Saxon stock. In a wider sense, the common law may designate all that part of the positive law, juristic theory, and ancient custom of any state or nation which is of general and universal application, thus marking off special or local rules or customs. As a compound adjective, common law is understood as contrasted with or opposed to statutory, and sometimes also to equitable, or to criminal. At the center of common law is a legal principle known as stare decisis, which is a Latin phrase that roughly means to stand by things decided. In practice, stare decisis is just a fancy way of saying that courts and judges need to follow earlier decisions and rulings, otherwise known as caselaw, when dealing with similar cases later. For example, if a court makes a particular decision based on a specific set of facts, then the court is required to follow that decision if they ever must make a ruling on the same or closely related issue. Likewise, decisions made by higher courts, like a jurisdiction's Supreme Court, are typically binding on lower courts in the same jurisdiction.